Let me tell you something, Scooby. Listen to this.
Experience Thandi Swamazwai live at the Cape Town International Jazz Festival. Book today. Visit clubtravel.co.za.
So obviously you're coming with, right?
No.
Hey, buddy.
I would have loved to come, but I upstairs didn't call me. But you don't just say, hey, see Cape Town.
That's true.
And then you get a call. Sorry, we heard that you say you're going to Cape Town. you didn't consult with HR. So
Consult with HR. What's wrong with you? Not nonsense. Are you speaking?
No, so with Bank.
You're in Witbank.
You're in Witbank on the first.
I'm in
but this
Witbank
thing
on the
is the first.
On the first.
Yeah, then there's a second.
Yeah, so you can make it. So just come through and stop talking
the second.
nonsense.
Yeah, why not?
You're gonna miss out on three nice accommodation at the
Hey,
Table Bay
sir.
Hotel.
And I've never slept at the Table Bay Hotel. As I'm doing hotel snacks.
Baba.
Room service. And ngivula ngalesikhele seyawela lesisikhathi. Hayi ngivula ngaso. Uvula nge-Y10 Hey, first time Y10. Nenzani. But uze reception you-1. Ubani ntombazana? Ntombazana, ngicela reception. Ubhalise na ungamane ungene nje la. Sekuyangena kumnandi.
No. The Table Bay Hotel is very, very secure, restricted access to certain areas because obviously you have to respect the amazing guests that are there. Golden, the Table Bay Hotel is your kind of caliber.
The 10 flights.
10 flights when I need.
I
And then the other great thing, Dasaka, you're coming with us a full day tour by coast to Franschhoek, including wine tasting. You can teach Yulanduza, your girlfriend with the eye in the middle of her forehead, about wine tasting.
I know. I see not the eye in the middle of her forehead. I'm not going to another thing. Tokyo rich. Ngizakula bro ben contest. Ben contest like Mr. Tembis. Sorry, Magdal, are you body shaming me now?
No.
I wouldn't do it. Why would you do it? That's what I'm thinking.
Tala ngifuna active mina. Ben contest da. Ngisidudla ngaka. Ngoba namasududla unokuqobisa Vaseline bese la emuva uqobisa oba Umbashile.
Why you want to look thinner?
No, Umbashile like ukuthi Vaseline ifika ngapha. Angibizela ya contest ngishaya ama 10 ngenzela into zami. Le judge amehlalo aso. Amehlala no Tokyo Rich another thing. So angazi ubheke mina nabanye ama contestant. Ngada le judge alinginaki mina. Spin nje Michael Jackson. Ngamuza sorry amehlaka bizo spin. But sorry, you must tell. Tell. Konzakalani freeway khomutso?
Yo.
Yeah, go rough.
Mara why abantu mitha taxi ba Uber and fanele bavale imoto ezirelevant aba Corolla nama Jet yiba iUber hayi wonke umuntu and bayazazi abana Android why balona abantu abana Android aba install Android la kuleli Android lana application kuphela bro babintelela la.
That's it, hey?
Ayike into ebuhlungu nje ukugibela imitha taxi uhlele back seat une 300 rand.
Shucks.
Bese yibona lokuyahamba lokuthi
I know.
ithi 253 uthi
I know.
And ngicekudeni kanjani bakoza ukuthi mayifike uthuna nje sithi baba yeah ngicela ungishiye la imvula yenzani and yabona umuntu driver no driver umzulu amazulu uyawuza nonsense awujana mawushana uyaphela yes bro maruyibhekile bro
And that thing, Baba. And it's big.
Yeah, uyayibona
Red.
And amongena mawuvala umnyango seyiku 50 rand uvala nje mothi stop. Serious imitha taxi uvala umnyango ithi 50 uzawuya baba uthi airport mayidu uza 501 uthi scratching the cave. Bob cost me 483 rand from a Devon ICC to the airport.
Oh my no.
But the ICC's far though. The ICC's far.
Which airport now or back then?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
So the new
Yeah,
airport.
that-
So it's a bit far.
It is far.
It is fine.
Even with Uber, you would pay at least 300 or so.
Yeah, that's very cheap though.
Ake mina bengibhizi ngidownload ezinye izinto bathi bafuna space ngadelete Uber.
Oh, some things.
All right, if you say so.
Hey, ngasola man. Ezingihlele phela baba uyaxoxa ngitshela ngewere. Hey, linjani ekhona ngithini right. Imali ngaka. Balelani abantu abangabi airport use-HIV
Ngiyaphiwe airport.
Kumbi, how was your week, by the way?
The week was okay. The week was okay. The week was nice, but angisaphinde ngeDavidton.
Wow, and what's
Angengikhona endaweni nje lapha sebafetha ikhaba ngimncane man. Endaweni yekuyo eDavidton bro pop. Man ama-sister la man lamakhotbana khona. Amakhotbana afaka i-drive shirt anamacici lo amakhotbana iciciliwana. Ma-sister khona ashaya i-full bhahaza, ifruta i-full bhahaza ngathi. Angithi kune
You full panty.
Oh, full panty.
There's nothing wrong with the full panty. I keep telling you
there's
that.
nothing wrong mara mase ikhuphuke ejinini ivele la phezulu kuba ngathi sengathi pie ngathi le pie le sausage roll la ngisayina usikhona bakubhekana belocisha le
You're like a dang.
isnacks sakhona umangola neacha ngathi mina ngikuphi la impela phosi whiskey
David.
laphana hawu wabra baba ngisayi David but I had a great week bro besibekela mara bamenzana umama abafana bafana nomama umama naye wawoma kangaka ke uyaphela namanzi eParliament wonke umuntu uyayikhulumela oyemancane 2 liter yamanzi 2 liter onani mara Rapapa angazoma kanje sasiyazi umama unani uyawoma
No, it's been confirmed that akayenzi lando.
yeah no vele siyazi that's confirm Maria woma
Yeah.
ayikho into ngokoma nami mangise stage ngiyawoma bese ngibethe ngiphatha amanzi la mangilo ngikhuluma ayikho into ngokoma umama kasho nje mina ngine problem yami yayiwomela mangomile bese yayiphuzela amanzi yeah mara masifana ka squeeze in anga asithuza mangomile yayiphuzela but amanzi
I've got an inbox. Good morning, Uncle Bob and team. I know you don't usually do this, but can you please, because Kumba is there, wish my niece a happy birthday. Her name is Zanele. She's turning 21 today, and they've given us her number. Hello, Zanele.
Hi.
How are you, Zanele?
hello Zanel
I'm fine, thank you.
You are turning 21 today.
Yes.
Okay, that's fantastic. I think it's your sister asked us to, because Kumba is here.
Zanel una 21
Yeah, ngina 21.
Nontona bengaki
Anginabantwana.
khulele sabapho wena happy birthday sithanda sami yazuba ilanga lemnandi ne
Ngiyabonga.
sharp mama
All right.
Bro, no, sharp, bro.
Happy birthday,
Why nibheka ngathi mina khanda malisebenzi manje unontana bengaki
I vele khanda la kwalisebenza.
asirewindini khomotso
Talk to me.
ekasi 21 bakwatile kumanje njengoba isasa bathi ngazathi isasa ngazathi makuphela inyanga bangathi baye bank bathi insufficient funds yes the feeling insufficient funds umele 180 yomntwana and by 4 ubalile 180 times 4 yazi maths 360 times 2 720 rand yes 720 ngenza nemntwini una 23 abakhe bayifola abantwana so ayikho into wrong bangibuzuzanele ukuthi no ayikho into wrong nenza ngathi nina abantu bafanele bamithise bana bama 25
Oh, 27.
Ay, my mom had me when she was 18.
Mama, we love
She
you,
was
mommy.
18. My dad was 19. Beba borekela batsingenzani. Wena baba mbeka ikarate kathi ngakukhaba ngizakukhaba nga-stretch. Khaba nga-stretch. Queen letterland Queen Queenie, give it to me. Oh mama. And mama afake brain mood. Kwaba khona mina. Ayikho into wrong. Umbuzo wami was valid jo. Mangabe bazokutshela ke ukuthi bangithi yabazi baya tweet. Bazokutweeta bathi bona bathola abantwana abananga. Serious, ayikho into wrong. Mana 21 so ready.
You ready?
Uphathi lotho na 16 angithi manje or 18.
But
Ilotho.
yeah.
Mama ibamba lotho na 18.
Yeah.
Ulikhala usanele, uselu late.
What?
Uzanele very late. Uzanele intanga zakhe zimile kusasa manje lekhaza libenzani. Bayoregister banye.
If there was a way white people could own Michael Jackson, they would, hey?
I know.
They would.
Well, I suppose.
Bamzamile. What the chick?
No, I
What's it plastic? But it knows. Michael Jackson was just black. I will not tell him a giraffe or 5 Jardine.
Oh, bad.
Who buys a giraffe? That's what I'm going to money. So they don't. Kuze mina maka banemali angangithenga imoto mina yabafolisa abantu kanjenge ngisayimola ngibabele ngikokheni sikhombe ngidlalele mina banemali Kosi manje singibane imali abhorela yini ngaye like what can I tell ngibane voice encane ngenzani like Michael Jackson no played same group Same WhatsApp group. Michael Jackson played Monday. Same.
Haters will say it's Photoshop. Same group. Nyansela wana momo.
Iningi mali. Khomotso. The way nemali ningakhona. Pheka unole zakho. Next week the purple. Next week the orange. Probably ngithola khona mina.
Mari Busey.
Yes. Awazi njani? Unokuvuka kusana uthi, "Wow." Itaya, ministay.
Athuke.
Yathuke. Yabaza bathi kasaba nemali. Oh, mina maka banemali ngaba ne ATM kwami endlini. IQ yenza ntathakusa. Ama insufficient funds. That's cool. And angiphume lokishini vukla lokishini bazi ukuthi inemali le yabhara that's cool man besicela ukudraw man ngilele boy that's cool sekugcina my 5th time nje sibambile vuke ngenani ngihamba nabo bani alright bashiyeni nihambe Namali.
Experience Judith Sephuma live at the Cape Town International Jazz Festival. Book today. Visit clubtravel.co.za.
China FM traffic.
Asif, what?
Judith Sephuma sister le Pomolo ga Michael Jackson. Pomolo ga Michael Jackson. Pomolo ga Michael. Impumulo ga Michael Jackson. Mga ibeka phezulu impumulo ga Judith Sephuma ngathi phimpu. Judith. Fly away, man. Judith injaya Judith Ibrahim. Yamazi makacula live. Amaphepha abantu babhale ingoma bazibeke phansi. Judith bazibeka phansi basifake neglue. Phephu Judith. Ayenazo. Francis ka Judith Sephuma empty. Funa abantu abafaka imajezi nani kungoma. It's windy conditions. Windy. Yazi impumulo ga Michael Jackson incane kanjani? Mayibeka phezulu ka Judith. So. Yamas Judith. The first time ngihaka ngile sistereza ngencindi waye. Isiyalo ngiyavika ngithi sis Judith. Oh no. Amtshela ngathi ngizomthola.
She's absolutely fantastic.
You know Rami's listening, right?
Yeah, wrong.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Yes. We're back.
Are abantu abaphuza bayakhohlwa isaluni. What logic is that?
Abantu abaphuza benza.
Uthi abantu abaphuza bayakhohlwa isaluni.
Musi my man about ya strike vandag uyesasa. Bathi uzoyala angiyaza EDA. Oqala EDA inama struggle songs. The more we are together. The more we are together. Mama ngizani. The happier we are.
Cause my
friend is your almost house. Hit lab almost the more we gonna wait. That's going to find Kadulo business 10. Usfasile utage in the mall. Thina mase strike sifaka amaduru amaphola neki sizivala ubuso khona phethe ibhodlela nepetrol nendiwangu ufuna umentshisi khona phethe iphango siyababulala alalela silwela isasa leso sikhathi isasa ikhadi leli ukuthi imali ingene makuphela inyanga khona othikithi abafe bafelani ngoba fanele basibhadale umosi the more by 20 Lathi choir SABC the more we are together Why must you asifonela bafethu
ukufonela
Yeah must you asifonela Hi it's Musi whoa nyakeza ukubona umelikhole sela sithi azine call ne audition bengibhizi ngayiserious yo yibo uthe mama hi it's Musi yewona ngathi ngamphusha la iphone abo mosibahlela abafazi babelungu bazophabela umusifana thola ichela selokishini A1 unomgqibelo and uyaphuza nomgqibelo ke ilabo shela labona ukuthi ebusuku mawuqeda ukushaya wena uzothi awuna mentshisi uthi Ana mentshisi na umlethe ugwayo uzwa uya nomgqibelo uyapema ungaza crave uzwa uzothanga uzomkhathaza kanje Ebara nabelungu ni sexy yazi Ubiza umusi ngumlungu yazi nina belungu ni sexy kanjani
Musi with that township no
together I can't get that out of my mind together umama leso sikhathi ubamele ne uphethe amanzi akhe ngesigubhu loku uyawoma loku uyaphuza umusi loku uyaza mo Enamona mama ngathi umuntu onenhliziyo encane like lately Sheshan wait ulwelana ubumbali ufuna ukwazi bathi kunani baba
beats me
Man
beats me because we know for sure that the money will be paid out
Ushilo mama wathi ngi1 zaka April sizobe sitwele mara sikhumbule April Fool sikhumbule angathi nithi ngidobha phi mina nithi amagroup dani ndawo sasinike nithi ngidobha phi mina uthe ngi1 mama wonke umuntu uzoba right so abogogo bethu babe right bangawara abogogo baye yabaza abogogo naba emholweni bavuka early phela kusekuteni bawokhe babona abantu kudala uthi awu usaphila awu ngakuzama Bacabanga ukuthi wahamba mina ngaza asiya abanyanyobe ke bafole bathatha imali yabo bathenga ama chips ama orange namazambane bayendlini bese kusasa ke kuyabo sodla imali
yeah
ayida abakhona ngalewana abogokucala abogogo bese mangabe yathi iyaphela bese abosese siyaba depositela bona yeah base yaba deposit it government in the next 2-3 years they want to take over this project ingasurvive via SASSA via straight government 17 million people straight government
yeah
17 million state government sizobona ubani loyo uzobona ane patience engaka Yabantu ba 17 million bafolile angeke wo yazi ngizoyiposa imali iyoposa bengihlene lenye ipedi la ngicela ukuthi ngicela ikinto wrong ipedi la igama la Jonas ipedi ikinto wrong why ngicela ukuthi amapedi angakhuluma isizulu mawajabulile especially mabaphuzile ngicela angakhuluma isizulu Engisihle siyadla siplomile ufuna ukufila ini uzathi ngizongihleke lozo khuluma ipedi yaphohla mani yahlathi baba what yaphohla imbodlo mani yahlathi baba yaphohla mani yahlathi baba iphohlile ngothi wena ayiphohli Abuthi yaphohla imbodlo mani yahlathi baba iphohlile ayiphohle Lesikhathi usiphuze litiye lakhe ayiphohla mani
Ngingafaka ishukela kule anyway
Braba ini nento yakho next week angithi Le mazam.
Success.
Yes, the Safters.
Yeah, basically going against the taking the Utembis. Le na Uvalo Utembis. Now they win right now. Time people must SMS the letter A to 4.
Oh wait, I must film this thing. Hold on. Hey, Maras Kumba Papa learn.
Excuse me.
This was done live.
Yeah. SMS the letter A to 48430 48430 and make my main man Pop Mapena win that award. Yeah, I'm a softer. Kuzoba mnandi da. The more we are together. That's not your Johnny T. A. Serious. That's not was right. The more.
There's no fear about a better body.
Magawin Musa president. He's a jolly. He's a jolly good fellow. You could not rust to me, son.
Did you see that clip though with the Minister of Social Development? But she's body shaming someone. And it was Julius. Yeah. And he says, I'm sorry, I didn't body shame, but he said, oh my word, that was beautiful. And Julius didn't have an answer.
Julius Madam Safuni will cover local punch. And that's I want to know Zimba. But I'm going to lose weight, lose a car. Because or lose a cool. But I was in Yama Sabuyeli, laugh on a buelecon. Cool.
Oh boy.
More. But Bob, I have a show with Val. People always say to me, come to Val.
Those are my homeboys.
Yeah, I'm saying Val, but it's a small venue. It's about 450 seaters. So I'm going to have one show on the 6th of May. Val, Estienne Rousseau. Yeah, Etienne Rousseau Theatre.
Etienne Rousseau.
Yes. Etienne Rousseau Theatre. Amatidas are available to compete as speak. Amatidas as a reach. I think so the 200 tickets are on Basewit Bank. Thank you very much. Port Elizabeth, Island, and tickets are available. One man show I was called First of All. So ring on a young king to La
I want to come with you to the Eastern Cape.
When I come. The more we are together.
Abida Zayn, you're absolutely incredible. Be safe this weekend. I love you madly. Bye-bye.
Don't forget this, www.clubtravel.co.za or 0860 442 444, the Kaya FM listener tour to the Cape Town International Jazz Festival. It's coming up. Cheers.
Push him, man.